This is our fourth video in the process of controlling practice questions. A negative result from in SV calculation means which of the following? A. Present value is higher than estimated value. B. Present value is equal to 1. C. Estimated value is higher than present value. Or D. Estimated value is higher than AC. And the correct answer is A. The SV calculation is estimated value minus present value. If the present value is higher number than estimated value, you will get a negative number as a result. You are a contract project manager for wholesale decoration product distribution company. Your project is to develop a website for your company that allows retailers to place the order online. You will also provide a separate link for the individual purchases that are ordered, packaged and mailed to the consumer directly from the decoration maker site. This project involves coordinating the parent company, maker and distributor. You are preparing a performance review and have the following measurements at hand. Present value is equal to 300. AC is equal to 200, estimated value is equal to 250. What is the CPI for this project? A 0.80, B 1.25, C 1.5 or D 0.83. And the correct answer is B. CPI is calculated as follows. EV divided by AC, in this case 250 divided by 200 is equal to 1.25. You have a separate project performance to date and this own future work will be performed at the budgeted rate. If BAC is equal to 800, ETC is equal to 275, PV is equal to 300, AC is equal to 200, EV is equal to 250 and CPI is equal to 125. What is the EAC? A 640, B 750, C 600 or D 550? And the correct answer is B. When you accept project performance to date and assume future ETC, work will be performed at the budgeted rate. EAC is calculated as follows. AC plus BAC minus EV. Therefore, the calculation for this question will look like 200 plus 800 minus 250, that is equal to 750. You know that EAC is equal to 375, PV is equal to 300, AC is equal to 200 and EV is equal to 250. You accept the work for the project to continue as planned. What is ETC? A 300, B 125, C 175 or D 50? And the correct answer is C. The correct formula for ETC for this question is as follows. EAC minus AC, therefore ETC is as follows. 375 minus 200 is equal to 175. You expect future project performance to be consistent with the project performance experienced to date for this work component. If BAC is equal to 800, ETC is equal to 275, PV is equal to 300, AC is equal to 200, EV is equal to 250 and CPI is equal to 1.25. What is EAC? A 640, B 750, C 600 or D 550? And the correct answer is A. When project performance is expected to behave like past performance, EAC is calculated as follows. EAC is equal to BAC divided by CPI. Therefore, the calculation for this question will look like this. 800 divided by 1.25 is equal to 640. You know that BAC is equal to 500, PV is equal to 325, AC is equal to 275, CPI is equal to 0.9 and EV is equal to 250. And you are using actual cost to date and assuming ETC uses the budgeted rate. Variance at completion tells you which of the following. A is equal to 25, B is equal to minus 52, C is equal to 52 or D is equal to minus 25. And the correct answer is D. You first have to calculate EAC in order to calculate VAC. EAC for variants that are atypical is AC plus BAC minus EV. So our numbers are 275 plus 500 minus 255, that is equal to 525. Now VAC is calculated this way: BAC minus EAC, therefore 500 minus 525 is equal to minus or negative 25. Our costs are not doing as well as anticipated. Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe to the channel.